So to get to the layout settings to change some personal features in your web version, just go to the sidebar, go to the preference page and hit settings. There's a couple different options here. Now, mostly they will change the sidebar color. So you can see colored, change the sidebar. It will also change the actual charts themselves. So if I go into dark mode, and then I go into a layout, you can see everything is dark. The backgrounds for everything is dark as well. Now, if I make that same change to light mode, and then I go into everything, you can see that they've changed to light charts. Now, to get it to update with your system, if you're like myself, where your system is light during the day and then goes dark at night for those late night scanning sessions, then you can click default here. And what it will do is it will look at the settings of your system. If it goes from light to dark, it will switch the site as well. Now, on sidebar behavior, basically you have sticky, which basically means that if you scroll a web page, so if I go into Apple here and I scroll this page, it will go down to, and it will stay stuck up there as well. Now, if I go to fixed, it will actually make it so that this website is now fixed and doesn't scroll with the page. This will get more relevant as we add more features. Now, if we switch to compact, what it does, it makes the sidebar really compact on the side, but if I hover over each one, you can see that I have a menu here. So if I hover over this one, I have settings and I have the documentation right here. So it's a way to tuck it away in the corner, but you can still get to everything just by hovering your mouse. You can also just click up here to hide and to bring back the sidebar whenever you want. Last but not least is how you want your stock detailed windows. So if I go to Apple and we check out Apple here, you can see that we have the stock details, we have the stock profile, and we have the news, and they're all split out into different segments. But if I want these all tabbed together, I just go into my settings and then I hit tabbed. And then if I go back and look at Apple, you can see it's all the same information. They're just separated in tabs here. So detail, profile, and news are just in their individual tabs.